Friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I'll show you how to make a musical Tesla coil. I will make two videos. In one video I will show you the entire build part and the testing of the equipment. In the next video I will show you the entire circuit drawing and the drawbacks for which most of the case the circuit won't work or it may happen the IC get burns. So I will not waste your time. Let's start the project. So friend, to make a musical Tesla coil you must require this following item: PVC pipe, two type, one is 32 mm and another is 40 mm, two 50 by 50 board, heat sink, screws, IRF 260, BD 243, resistance, capacitor, LED, audio jack, screws, and I am taking 31 gauge wire. So first of all you have to prepare the secondary coil. So friend, you can see the secondary winding is complete. It will take about 30 minutes for hand winding. I have winded it by hand, however, and to protect it I have provided a sellotape at the top of the coil. You can see it here. So friend, I have installed another PVC for the primary winding, and now I will put the screw, phone numbers, and provide the spacer and fix this lower part. So the construction part will be completed, then I will start the circuit part. So friend, the basic frame structure is ready, and I will provide this heat sinker at the bottom, and it will be installed like this way. So the main construction part is ready for the musical Tesla coil. Now I will provide the circuit in this position. So friend, you can see the total build part is completed. I have installed the IC. In my next video I will show you the entire circuit drawing and what are the drawbacks and for which the circuit basically don't work will be explained in the next video. However, you can see I have installed the circuit with heatsink, and the entire build part is completed. Friends, I think all of you have liked this video, so please subscribe S&D Innovations and don't forget to press the like button. Help me to increase my subscriber. Thank you.